Good day from San Antonio, Texas. This is the clear Sarah Jean bucket bag. As you can see, she is under the weather. She's a bit foggy and she doesn't look anything like a clear bag. How does this happen? Well, temperature fluctuations in shipping, and over time, the grime from the oils of your fingers get trapped on the plastic. It's very porous. All plastic gets like this. But no worries, be happy. There is an easy remedy. It is a non-acetone polish remover and a cotton pad. You gently wipe the grimy area, the front and the interior. The next thing you do, oh goodness, look at all the grime. The next thing you do is polish it up with another cotton pad, front and back. And voila, you are clearly into the game. From SCORE, GameDayBag.com.